Dr. David Lewandowski discusses 4 important aspects of health.
There's 4 ideas that are very important to understanding what health is and how to achieve it and how to improve it once you have it. And the first thing is that there's a universal intelligence. There's an order in the universe. Planets follow a specific pattern of, rotating around the sun. They don't just haphazardly bump into each other, and it doesn't happen by accident. It's the same with your physiology, the way your body works. Okay, and that the second thing is that there's a personalized expression of that universal intelligence in you. This is what gives you life, health, and vitality. It carries life. And that's the most powerful force in the universe. It doesn't come from the outside in. You're born with it. It's innate. We call it an innate intelligence. That's the second thing. That is your life force, and when it's flowing 100% through the nerve system, then you have homeostasis, which is balance, which is life, which is health and vitality, expansion. It's the most powerful force there is in the universe. This actually organizes, gives form and shape and identity to energy. When you lose that, we call it a subluxation, but when you lose that, and you will develop symptoms. And this is where most people are stuck, because they think that their symptoms are their problem. And symptoms are never your problem. All symptoms tell us is that your body is trying to heal itself. That's the way the body heals itself, is through expressing symptoms. It will never become healthy, never, ever, ever become healthy by treating symptoms. That is like, I got carpal tunnel. Well, we'll just take a bunch of drugs and numb out the sensation. Just because you can't feel it doesn't mean that the root cause isn't there. It will just express itself in some other way. If the symptoms are short term, they're supposed to be there. If they're long term, it means that you're continually under stress, and your nerve system can't adapt you to that stress. But the symptom itself is not the problem. That's like the oil light going off in your car, and you put a piece of tape over it. If you treat the symptom, the light going on, and you drive your car till it blows up. It's like, just because you don't see it or you've numbed yourself out to it does not correct the cause. You're treating an effect of the body trying to heal itself. Because everybody they know has some type of symptom almost all the time. And so since so many people have it, they start thinking it's normal. It's just common. It's not normal. Over 86% of the population, every 4 days or less, experiences a major symptom, and they mistake it for being normal, because almost everybody they know has one of these symptoms. People mistake, because everybody else they know has indigestion, mistake it for being normal. But there's nothing normal about having indigestion. There's nothing normal about a headache. There's nothing normal about asthma or allergies or skin rashes or arthritis or back problems or blood sugar problems or cardiovascular disease or diabetes, or you name it. And these diseases are simply a grouping of symptoms together that you call it a disease. But you can group symptoms differently together and call it whatever disease you want, and then you can sell newly named drugs and perform new surgical procedures to treat the symptoms, which are just merely the effects of life force not flowing 100% in the body. Just because you take drugs or surgery and you get rid of a symptom does not mean that you've cured yourself or you've gotten to the root of the problem. So what I do as a chiropractor is I find the root cause, which is There's just one root cause of any condition or disease, and that's separation from that which gives you life. Separation from your innate intelligence or your nerve flow, the flow of life in your body. And that means there's only one cure. And it's not treatment of symptoms. What it is, it's restoring the flow of life in your body, and your body heals itself.
4 fundamental aspects of health are universal intelligence, innate intelligence, correct the cause, don't treat the symptom, and common is not normal. And by the way, what exactly is normal?
Healthy, and to be vibrant, and to be ever expanding, and to become smarter and wiser and physically stronger.
For more information, visit universallyaligned.net.